Here we go. A little bit of rust action. Pulled the inner fender well out. This is what we got. So you also notice all the insulation on the wires is broken, and you can actually see the single wires running through the one loom. So we're going to fix that too.
We're in deep. I really don't protect these ECUs too well either. Just, I guess it's weather pack, but still. Anyway.
This is some of the junk that I knocked out from behind the inner fender well. The next video will explain it a lot better.
Stroke of brilliance, GM. Put this thing up in behind the inner fender well, so it traps all of that shit, so that the bottom of the fenders rot out. Brilliant. So just cleaning her out. We removed that. I dynamated the cab, so this isn't doing shit. So enjoy.
So this is just some more. I started cleaning everything up with a wire brush and getting all the loose stuff off. This is the stuff I used to loom up the wiring. It's pretty nice. I used it on my C3 Corvette project. Here I put it on there. It's a little big, but it's what I had on hand. And zip ties and electrical tape always make things fit. Here's just another shot of my handiwork. Not only does this make really good paint prep for framework, but it also really is good at killing crickets. Alright, this is it's primed up.